been spotted. He takes his shirt back off. What the hell?
The fuck are they doing?
They're high.
What?
I don't know, but they're walking around with their damn pulling their shirts off as soon as they come back outside. We cool. Don't mess with us.
Can I ask him? Can I ask him?
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare.
My phone's recording right now.
That is so funny.
I'm posting this on YouTube. Can't I? Can I go ask them if they're part of the Padlock gang?
You know they are. Each one of them's got a padlock.
I know, but I want to know why.
Oh, hold on. He's having a mental breakdown about something. Oh my God, his subwoofers quit working. His subs quit working.
Aww.
I think. I don't know. Look at him. He's gonna fall apart. He's gonna cry. Oh, he's kicking shit. He's mad.
Cry me a river. Cry me.
She's looking over here like laughing at us like, what the hell are you two goofballs doing? Look at him. Oh my God, he's having a mental breakdown. The ginger's having a meltdown. My subs ain't working. Are they? You know what? I bet they're hanging out for chicks. You know they're hanging out for chicks, man.
Oh, man.
We the Padlock gang.
The orange Padlock gang.
Okay. One's got no muffler dragging down the back of his damn car. The other one, subwoofer.
Let me beat the shit out of my pouches. I'm gonna beat somebody's ass. Let me put this pouch in my mouth.
My God, was I ever that retarded when I was that age?
Oh God, I hope not. I wasn't that retarded. I mean, I was retarded, but not that retarded.
Running around acting like a damn jackass. Look at all the Casey's employees. They're all like, what in the world are these kids doing? I want so bad.
Ori!
Psst. Psst. Too much weed!
When they voted, I'm like, dude, are they gonna fight or what?
That's what I've been recording this shit.
She's been recording him. He was having a mental breakdown about something in the back of the car. The little ginger, he was falling apart. He's like, oh my God. I'm like, what is going on? I think they're fishing for chicks. They're trolling. They're trolling for chicks.
The excitement I see at Casey. When I'm not on the clock.
Man, look. Yeah, hey, Kate, there you go.
What?
We got some excitement tonight. We had such a rotten night. Live from Walkerton, Indiana. The Orange Padlock Gang. And the Drama Queen Ginger. It's the leader.
Everybody follows the person that has no soul.